channel. I made a video on 10 things you can do when you're in quarantine, in which I mentioned you can clean up your space, clean up your wardrobe, and as you guys can see, I am in dire need to do that. So I thought I'll be shooting the whole process of how I clean this mess and arrange my wardrobe. So continue watching, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is, guys, now is the time for spring and summers. So I have to first separate and make two different lots for winters ke kapde and summers ke kapde. Winters ke kapde are going to go down in my bed, and summers ke of course in the wardrobe. So that's the first thing which I have to do. I also have to make a separate lot of the clothes which I will not use and I will donate. So I basically give all my clothes जो मुझे नहीं पहनने होते to my house help who stays in my house 24 hours. So I give it to her, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Make 3 different lots of summers, winters, and the clothes that I have to donate. It's the lot for my sweatshirts, coats, and everything, and this is going to go bed के अंदर. Oh, these are the caps. My favorite berry cap. मैंने बहुत पहनी है ये इस season में. This is a white coat which I have, and I have kept it in this plastic bag. I got it cleaned from laundry and it came in this plastic ka sheet, and I kept it inside, which is a great tip actually because it's white और अंदर गंदा हो सकता है. So this is how I'm going to store my white coat and also my pink coat. So this is something which you guys can also do. So this is my wardrobe basically. When I open it, this was full up till here, like up till here. There was no breathing space left, so मैंने थोड़ा सा I've emptied it up, and it's on my bed right here, this whole pile. And also I've emptied this drawer as well. It's empty now, but this one is still full of clothes. So now I'm going to empty the whole wardrobe here and then show you. Oh, this is a dress which I got. Like it was my first expensive buy in like a dress, and this is how it looks like. And it's from Vero Moda, and it was under their marquee collection, you know, by Karan Johar. There was some collaboration, and it was my first ever like a proper buy which I can remember of. And I don't fit in this. Like, look at this. I don't fit in this dress, but I still have it. I wore it on my best friend's birthday back then. I still remember it. Jasmine, you must remember this dress as well. It's very close to my heart, so I will always keep it forever, no matter what. And I dream of fitting into this one day.
बहुत कपड़े बाप रे.
My brother's t-shirt is lying in my closet. This is the top that I got from Shein. If you remember, if you've seen my Shein haul, you must remember the top. I have to always keep it in a hanger because it's so, I don't know, it's so delicate that if I keep it just like that, I don't know, I think that the threads will come off and the frill will start to do something. It's a very, I mean, it just has no support. It's very frilly. And here also it's tied up with these strings, and they're also very delicate. So I always, you know, I don't touch it much. I just keep it in a hanger in the corner and just like be like, and I don't know when I'll wear it. I just have a lot of clothes that I haven't worn even once. And being a fashion blogger, I think I can style these clothes in n number of ways, and I don't need to shop. It's like a self-realization that you get when you're cleaning your wardrobe, that you don't need to shop. You have enough clothes, and make the most out of these clothes before you go out and spend your money on the new clothes, which you will again dump and keep it.
I'm so sad right now. I feel so bad right now. I feel so bad right now that I spent so much of money on new clothes, and I just like this I haven't worn once, this I haven't worn once, this I have worn just once, then this just once for shoot, not even outside. Like all these clothes I worn.
Okay, I should stop ranting and get back to my work. Okay, I'm so proud of what I've done in the last 3 hours. It took us 3 hours, complete 3 hours, but this is sorted. This is also sorted. So I'm quickly going to explain you. Okay, the very like a great trick and like tip which I have for you guys is this. This is a drawer where I have all my top and crop tops, long tops, all nice clothes. So what I've done is I've rolled it, which is why I still have like a lot of space left, like one more roll, like one more pile of the rolls. But so yeah, it saved me on a lot of space. And rolls, mama, see, rolls.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So also with the other drawer, woohoo, these are all my bottom wear, including skirts, shorts, denims, joggers, all of that. And here also, okay, now interesting, two things of the same print I have accidentally. Now again, I have rolled everything over here and I can see everything, and I have a lot of like niche bhi there are stacks. So this is also a very cool trick. These are my dresses. These are all my short summer dresses, which is why I've kept them here. And these are my long dresses. And when my wardrobe was getting made, I asked mom dad to give me like two different sections. This is for like shorter dresses, these are for longer dresses, which is why I need the length, because I need it lengthwise. So I've sorted this section. This is also done. Now the only thing which is left is this drawer. Now this is one drawer where I have these small little sections. I can keep my stuff. I've just emptied it out. Oops, there is some stone. I don't know what for. With the lock, so I can keep like my accessories, my watches, and some of my clutches, my wallets. This is that. So I'm gonna fill this up very quickly, and then I'll be done for the day. So this is also done. I've kept all my socks, my spaghettis, my tights, stockings, some more socks. These three are for my bandanas. This is one stocking that I have. Here I have kept all my caps. I just have three. And these are all the belts which I have. So I think this is pretty sorted, and I'm really liking this drawer. And with that, I'm done. I've kept this orange dress in this plastic packet is because it's my favorite dress. I just wore it once for a very special event and I want to wear it again. And I don't want any dirt or stains on this dress. This baby will be secure in this plastic packet. So guys, finally I am done with arranging my wardrobe. It took me 3 hours, but that's okay. It was quite a need, and my mom was just like after my life to get this mess sorted. Now that I'm done, she'll be happy. So a few takeaways from this video would be that first you have to categorize your stuff into different categories, like in tops and bottoms, dresses, accessories, belts, gym wear, ghar ke kapde, and all that. Like when you'll have all of these uh, clothes sorted in different piles, it'll be very easy for you to decide where you have to keep what, so you'll have everything sorted in front of your eyes in different piles, so that'll be very easy. Then this rolling technique is very new. We all have the habit to keep our clothes in like piles and stacking like one above the other, but this is like a rolling technique which you can try and let me know if this works for you. I think clearly it works for me. So I've kept all my bottoms and all my denims also rolled up. Then I have separated my dresses lengthwise, and you can see the whole of it when you're deciding what to wear for the day. So yeah, this is I think that is where I end the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I hope that you're inspired and motivated enough to use this quarantine period and arrange your wardrobe as well, and apni mom ko khush kar do. So yeah, that is it. I think this is where I end the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, share it with your friends, comment down below your views about this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.